are welcome to the last unit for this course, Development of Science Teaching Materials. This is Unit 6, titled Using Models and Simulations in the Teaching and Learning of Science. After studying this unit, you will be able to explain what models are and also be able to further explain how you would use models in the teaching and learning of science. More so, you will be equipped with information on how to employ simulations in teaching, as well as being conscious of the inherent dangers associated with the use of simulations for the teaching and learning of science. This is our first session, titled Teaching with Models. Do you remember that in session 2 of Unit 2, we indicated that models could be one of the most important aids that could be used in teaching? In this session, we shall look at how models could be used in science and science teaching. Do observe this picture. What comes to mind? Do you remember this picture in our previous session? This is an example of a model of an atom. What then is a model? We know models to be human inventions that are based on an incomplete understanding of how nature works. A model is therefore a representation of an idea, object, event, process, or system. Models and modeling itself play a crucial role in science practice because they contribute to authentic science education. One justification for the inclusion of models in science teaching is that, as I said, they contribute to a true authentic science education, where teaching reflects the nature of science as much as possible. As we explained earlier, that models are human inventions based on an incomplete understanding of how nature works. Models normally concentrate attention on specific aspects by using something that is familiar as a simile to explain or describe something that is not familiar. Consequently, most models are limited or wrong in some key aspects. This can create learning problems if students take a different meaning from the model than that intended by the teacher. For example, students may do the following. 1. Learn the model rather than the concept it is meant to illustrate. 2. Fail to distinguish between a mental image and then the concrete model. 3. Lack the necessary visual imagery to understand the model. 4. Lack awareness of the boundary between the model and the reality the model is representing. Also, students may mix up aspects of two or more different models because they are different models depicting different ideas of the same topic. So students might mix up those two aspects. Also, they may miss some key attributes and so misunderstand the purpose of the model. Another learning challenge is that there will be continuous use of the least sophisticated type of model, even when new advanced ones have been introduced. Another problem or challenge is that students may find it difficult to apply the model in different contexts. Let us try our hands on this question. What is a model? State 5 challenges associated with the use of models in the teaching and learning of science. We have come to the end of this session. In this session, we tackled the challenges that are associated with the use of models in the teaching and learning of science. Thank you and see you in our next session. Bye.